the 3 reasons why you choose the wrong partners and how to fix it. Look, it's not just bad luck. If you keep choosing the wrong partners, there's a real reason inside. And once you see it, you can break the cycle forever. According to Harvard's Grant study, early emotional experiences shape 80% of our choices in a partner without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you've been attracting the wrong people and how to fix it. Number 1, unhealed self-worth wounds. This is not just about having low self-esteem. Why do you need to know this? When your self-worth is wounded, we unconsciously seek validation from people that cannot give it to us. And thus we keep on repeating painful cycles over and over again. How does this change things? When you heal your self-worth issues, you start naturally choosing partners who already respect your value and show up for you without you having to chase them. How do you do it? Daily practice. Every day, write down 3 reasons why you can be proud of yourself. It's so powerful to fill your mind with all the good things that are available to you, which is also completely unrelated to anyone else's approval. A little bonus, notice when you seek outside validation, instead of say to yourself, what do I need to give myself now to feel more comfortable? 2, attachment to chaos. This is not about constantly wanting a toxic relationship. So why do you need to know this? According to Stanford psychological research, humans will bond to what they believe is familiar to them. Even if it's unhealthy, it will feel normal to them. How this changes things. Recognizing familiar dysfunctions allows us to break free. It allows us to choose stability over chaos, even if it feels boring or uncomfortable. And that is why you shouldn't always listen to the butterflies in your stomach, because they are more often than not attached to excitement, and a lot of excitement patterns will come down and it stops being exciting. Values and alignment through that never ceases to be more than exciting. So how do you do it? Make 2 lists. What chaos feels like to you, so that you're clear on what that looks like for you, and what healthy love looks like for you. And when you're dating, if it feels too calm or too boring, be patient and give it a little chance. 3, ignoring red flags in favor of potential. Now, this is not about being too nice or too forgiving. We often can fall in love with potential instead of what's actually happening in the moment. But patterns, not promises, predict the future. How this changes things. When you trust what you see in the now, instead of lying to yourself that it will get better, you save yourself years of heartache and wasted time. So how do you do it? In action. When you notice a red flag, like inconsistency, disrespect, lack of effort, pause immediately. Ask yourself, if nothing changed about this person right now, would I still be happy with them? If the answer is no, then you have a decision to make. Choosing better isn't about getting lucky. It's about healing what made you choose the wrong person in the past, so you can choose a new future. Hit that subscribe if you're ready to level up your choosing. The next video, 5 psychological tricks to make them fear losing you. And it's not manipulation. I'll see you there. Subscribe. Don't play hard to get.